was attracted to join Sungrow because of the company growth was fantastic since last 5 to 6 years. The experience was quite fantastic here.
For me also, it's a tremendous journey in 3.5 years.
It's been 1.5 years, so if I'll tell, it's flawless.
My main motivation to be in Sungrow for more than 6.5 years is the team interaction and the team, how they give the opportunities to grow up ourselves and to be a leader for the future.
I have worked in the other MNCs also, but for me this is quite familiar actually.
During the last 3 years in the working culture, the working environment, the team supported me a lot in every decision. So I'm proud to say that yes, Sungrow is a good place to work here.
Well, we feel in our organization very friendly in nature between the leaders as well as for the team members. That makes very happy to interact each other irrespective of any departments or any team members. And even for overseas also, we have a lot of opportunities to discuss with them.
You have easy access to the management and there is no boundaries. You have the freedom to share whatever you want to share.
Relevancy of clients that we have, the responsibility we have, the kind of connects that we feel with our subordinates, with our colleagues, with our seniors. So here everyone is reachable.
So as a name Sungrow, so Sun is the related to the renewable sectors and Grow is it's a innovation and technology driven company. So everyone here we are growing.
So for me, it's a family supportive team, excellent supportive team.
I can say in simple statement that it's a great place to work.